let's start this course teaching of reading and writing skills with an introductory module where we're going to have a look at some of the uh, basic contents which we will continue to cover throughout the course. So, um, as you know, teaching reading skill is one of the most complex skills because there are various things involved in teaching reading skill, and as you know, it's essential for effective second language instruction where it serves as a basis for instruction in second language. So through through reading we can better teach grammar, we can better develop the vocabulary, we can better develop the overall aspects of language learning. So mainly the main focus of this course is how teachers can best utilize this course to teach reading skills for effective language teaching. So throughout the course, you'll find that much emphasis is given to the practical principles, for example, which methods are most suitable, which tasks or activities are most suitable to develop reading skills of second language students. So we have got a balanced approach throughout the course. We'll stick to a framework of four strands. The first strand is meaning focused input, which means how we can give meaningful input to our second language students. And then we've got meaning focused output. For example, when they read, the output we want from our students is meaningful. Okay. And then we've got language focused learning and fluency development. So at the end of the course, you will find some principles which we can use to develop fluency of our readers. So just for example, in terms of speaking, reading, listening, and writing, what's important is to give equal amount of time to each of the skills, right? So the main features which we will continue to cover throughout the course are how we can offer analysis in first language, comparative analysis in how first language can have its influence on second language. Then we will see what means by extensive reading and how we can develop this skill amongst our students. Okay. And then we've got, this is something very important, which is how to assess reading and because the half of the course is focused on teaching reading skills, and half of the course is focused on teaching writing skills. So we'll see what means by writing, what are the topic types, what are the kinds of texts, and how we can give written feedback, both formative and summative. So by the end of the course, the aim is to help you develop some knowledge, some information which you can utilize to design a well-balanced program for teaching reading skill, right? And the key texts which you can use in order to get help, and these are very important texts. The first one is by Nation, as you can see here, teaching ESL, EFL, reading and writing. So this is very key text. I suggest you to get hold of it, and you will find this text very useful because it's half of the book is divided. Half of the book is given to reading and half is given to writing. And then Jeremy Harmer, very practical book, which is about how to teach writing, and this is also important. So in summary, this is throughout the course we'll have a practical emphasis where we can use some effective principles in the classroom to better teach both reading and writing skills.